Congratulations on your purchase of Icon Tool Storage. This video will show you how to set up the Icon overhead cabinet, which attaches to the 56-inch or 73-inch Icon roller cabinet. Before you begin, please take the following safety precautions. Wear steel-toed shoes. Wear gloves with a non-slip grip. Wear eye protection. We recommend at least 2 people to safely unbox and install the overhead cabinet. Remove the owner's manual from inside the overhead cabinet and follow the additional safety precautions listed on page 1. You will need the following tool to properly set up your Icon overhead cabinet. 6mm hex key. The Icon overhead cabinet will be delivered on a wood pallet. Remove the strapping and corrugate, then remove the plastic bag covering the overhead cabinet. Remove the key from the plastic bag at the front of the cabinet. Unlock the door and raise it so it's open during installation. Remove the bag of hardware from inside the cabinet. Attach the handles to the cabinet using a 6mm hex key. Make sure the wheels of your roller cabinet are locked. The overhead cabinet weighs more than 150 pounds, so you'll need at least 2 people to safely lift it and set it on the top chest or work center. Do not grip the cabinet by the corner trim. When the overhead cabinet is in place on the top chest or work center, attach the 4 wing nuts and tighten them by hand. You are now ready to use your Icon overhead cabinet or attach another Icon storage unit. For more information and to view assembly videos on other units in the Icon line of storage, please visit harborfreight.com/icon.